Okay, so what I'm about to read you is a Terza Rima. It's something I've tried my hand at a couple of times, and so this is the first one I'm actually going to put out there. And a Terza Rima is an old-fashioned kind of poem, in one sense anyway, in that it has a rhyming scheme, it has a metre, and it has a certain system, if you like. So what you've got in a Terza Rima is it's made up of terzis, which are 3-line stanzas, and the last stanza is a couplet, which is 2 lines. And then you've also got a rhyming scheme of A, B, A for the first stanza, B, C, B for the second stanza, C, D, C for the third stanza, and so on and so forth. Now, also, it's the metre of the poem is called an iambic pentameter, and that means that the metre is ti-tum, 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 ti-tum. That's 5 stressed syllables and 5 unstressed before them. I suggest that if you want to know more about Terza Rimas, that you look at Katie Ayles's excellent workshops. I've provided a link below this posting. Blizzard, by me. The drift is drifting to her wooden door. The harbour master says the blizzard's blow has pushed the snow around the harbour shore. The window frames the yellow light which shows the captain's drinking ouzo with his mates, and near the bar some shutters firmly close. The boat won't run today, we're trapped by fate, she says, while looking out on such a scene. She knows he wants to be so very late for business ventures verging on obscene. He doesn't like the deal he has to strike. Excuses welcome warmth, and not a dream are spun for him by tender arms and white and settling snow. At doorways far from home will keep him there throughout the fuzzy night. This cosy evening he won't have to roam, nor cross the seething sea and spitting foam.